Hey guys, welcome to lesson 6. This will be a very short lesson because we are just going to need to add the sun and the clouds. And for that we're going to use a spline that I had created. Just go to File, Merge, and select this sun and clouds splines. Of course I'm going to share these files with you. Click on Open, and here you can click on Group Splines if you want. Click OK. And now you will have this group. You can see these splines here. Now let's make this a little bit smaller, like 0.6. Alright. And now we just have these splines, and now it's just a matter of place them where we want them to be. So for example, the sun, if you open the group, you can see a lot of path here. So we have the clouds, and we have all of this path for the sun. So take this and click on Connect Objects and Delete, and you will have only one. So you can call this sun. This could be cloud 3, cloud 2, and cloud 1. Now just take these to wherever you think they fit best. I'm going to place them like this, and the sun over here. Maybe zoom out a bit the camera so that we have more room. And you can see on the image how I did it. So we can do something like this. Maybe this one could be bigger, like this. Now we have our clouds and the sun. So all we need to do is the following. Take the sun and click on Extrude, and drop the sun into this extrude. Now create another extrude and take all the clouds into this extrude. Click here on Object and click on Hierarchical so that all of them are integrated. Now we can leave this on 20. This looks fine. And we have our sun and clouds. But actually for the sun, let's change this to 8 so that we don't have so much depth. And over here we can change this to 15. Alright. And we have now a sun and some clouds. So you can take this a little bit higher over here. And that's it. I told you that it was a short lesson. You can take this wherever you want. I think this is fine. And that's it. So now all we have to do is to create the materials, that it's going to take some time, and of course create the lighting that we are going to use here. So let's go to the next lesson.